Have you ever wondered if you could make money doing what you love? What if I told you that your hobby, whether it's painting, gaming, photography, writing, or even gardening, could turn into a steady source of income? Welcome to today's video, where we'll break down step by step how to monetize your passion and turn it into a business or side hustle. If you're ready to turn your free time fun into financial freedom, stick around. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and financial success strategies. Let's get started. 1. Find your monetizable hobby. The first step to turning your hobby into income is figuring out what skills or interests you already have that people are willing to pay for. Not every hobby will be easy to monetize, but many have potential. Here are a few examples. Creative hobbies: painting, photography, music, graphic design, crafting, and writing can all lead to selling products or services. Educational hobbies: if you love teaching, coaching, or tutoring in subjects like language, fitness, or music, you can start online courses or private lessons. Tech-based hobbies: coding, gaming, video editing, or app development can lead to freelancing, content creation, or even product development. Outdoor hobbies: gardening, fitness training, and adventure sports can turn into workshops, guides, or even YouTube channels. Food-related hobbies: if you love cooking or baking, consider catering, selling homemade goods, or starting a food blog or YouTube channel. Pro tip: think about what people already ask you for help with. If friends often come to you for advice or commissions, that's a sign your hobby could be monetized. 2. Choose a monetization strategy. Now that you have your hobby in mind, let's explore different ways to make money from it. Here are 5 proven monetization strategies you can apply. Selling products. If your hobby involves creating physical or digital goods, you can sell them online. Examples include physical products: handmade crafts, paintings, jewelry, or home decor on Etsy, Shopify, or eBay. Digital products: printables, templates, ebooks, or stock photos on Gumroad, Creative Market, or your own website. Custom work: offering commissions for personalized paintings, illustrations, or design work. B. Providing a service. If you have a skill people need, you can offer services like graphic design, web development, photography, or content writing through Fiverr, Upwork, or personal networking. Music lessons, fitness training, or tutoring via Zoom, Skillshare, or Teachable. Acting, voiceover work, or performance-based gigs on platforms like Casting Call Club or Voices.com. C. Content creation and social media. If you enjoy sharing your passion, why not create content? YouTube and TikTok create videos sharing tutorials, experiences, or entertainment related to your hobby. Instagram and Pinterest build an audience and monetize through brand partnerships, sponsorships, or selling your own products. Blogging: write about your hobby and earn through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling guides. Podcasting: talk about your niche and monetize through sponsorships and listener donations. D. Affiliate marketing. If you love recommending products related to your hobby, sign up for affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or other brand-specific affiliate networks let you earn commissions when people buy through your links. E. Online courses and memberships. If you have valuable knowledge to share, create an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Patreon allow you to charge for your expertise. You can also offer exclusive content through memberships on YouTube or Patreon. Community-based income. Build a subscription-based community on platforms like Discord or Facebook groups. Pro tip: don't limit yourself to just one strategy. Combine multiple streams of income for the best results. 3. Build your audience and brand. Now that you know how to monetize your hobby, the next step is getting noticed. Without an audience, it's hard to sell anything. Here's how to build your brand. Pick a niche. Instead of being general, focus on a specific aspect of your hobby. For example, instead of fitness, focus on at-home workouts for beginners. Use social media, share content consistently on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or TikTok to attract followers. Create a website. A simple site or blog showcasing your portfolio, products, or services builds credibility. Network with others, join hobby-related communities, and collaborate with influencers in your space. Email marketing. Build a loyal following by sending newsletters with valuable content and promotions. Key takeaway: the more value you provide to your audience, the more likely they'll support your business. Focus on building trust before selling. 4. Overcome common challenges. Turning a hobby into income isn't always smooth sailing. Here are some common struggles and how to overcome them. Fear of failure. Many people hesitate because they think they won't make money. Start small, test the market, and refine your approach. Lack of time. Treat your hobby like a side business. Schedule dedicated hours to work on it. Pricing struggles. Don't undersell yourself. Research competitors and charge based on the value you provide. Marketing challenges. If people don't know about your work, they can't buy it. Focus on content marketing and engagement. Scaling issues. Once your hobby grows, consider outsourcing repetitive tasks so you can focus on expansion. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Consistency and learning from failures are key. 5. Take the first step and start earning. Now that you have all the tools to turn your hobby into income, it's time to take action. Here's your 3-step action plan. Step 1. Choose your monetization strategy. Decide if you'll sell products, offer services, create content, or use multiple approaches. Step 2. Build your brand. Start a social media page, website, or portfolio to showcase your work. Step 3. Take action today. Start small, post consistently, and improve as you go. Which hobby are you planning to monetize? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss new money-making tips. See you in the next video.